Hi beauties, welcome to my channel, and here is my version of brown and glossy makeup. To moisturize my skin, I am using Innisfree Green Tea Seed Cream. For the foundation, I'll be using Gold Collagen from the Face Shop. Here I'm trying to blend it in first with my brush, and then I'm going to use my beauty blender to finish it. This buildable foundation gives you a medium to full coverage. For my concealer, I'll use Says Lady. This concealer can give you up to medium coverage. And to set my concealer and foundation, I'll be using BYS Compact Powder. So I'm gonna try L'Oreal Unbelievable Pro. And I'll finish my eyebrow with KGM Eyebrow Pen. For my eyeshadow, I use BYS palette. For my base, I'm going to apply a light brown shade. And then followed by Revlon Player Palette. So for this one, I am using the dark brown shade. For my eyeliner, I'll be using the same shade. And then I'm going to blend it in with the light brown shade. You can use any other brands as long as the shades are similar. So it's a combination of light brown and a dark brown shade. Here I'll use Pop Beauty to glitter my eyes. It's like a silvery brown glitter shade. I'll also apply the same shade to my inner corner. I will use Chaville eyeliner. Here is Everbelena Volume Curl Mascara. For my contour, I'll be using BLK. I'll be using Holographic Illuminator from Nishido. So here is Infallible Pro Matte Lip Color by L'Oreal. And then I'll be using BLK Lip Gloss for the glossy effect of my lips. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this brown glossy makeup look. Thank you guys for watching.